Hey guys, I am back and ready with a summer flower crown, and I am gonna make it with a friend. For real.
Hi.
This is Lainey, my friend, and we're making summer floral crowns.
Yes, we are.
Yes. And summer floral crowns, and yes, it's black because black is an amazing color.
All right.
I went and bought these at Hobby
Lobby?
not Hobby Lobby, Michael's.
Michael's. Oh,
Hobby
Michael's
Lobby's a good one to go to as well because they have the flower sales as well. The 50% off, that's when you get these.
Right.
This
Michael's has the best coupons though, like on their app. So
That's true.
yeah, Michael's and Joann's has good coupons on
And
their
I
app.
think they also honor other coupons as well.
Yes, they do. They do price matching.
They do. So I got these when they were like all 50% off because
Ooh.
otherwise I wouldn't buy flowers then.
Yeah.
Don't buy unless they're like on sale. And so I got black because why not? Cause,
Who doesn't want to be a dark elf?
right? Or dark fairy.
Ooh, yeah.
As you know, guys, I'm totally into cosplay and different things like that. And also, this flower crown is going to be inspired by a character by my favorite book. So, stay tuned to hear more about that.
Yes. You definitely want to read this.
Okay, so what we have here, I kind of started cutting some of them off. So, we're just literally going to cut them off here. And I got branches, my little black branches here, and roses. See my little roses, and
some little.
I don't know
wavy
what these
ones.
are. What are they? Does it say on the tag?
Oh, probably. Let's see. Nope. No description. It's just essential florals.
I don't know what those are, so
They kind of, I don't know, they kind of look like those purple ones that are really cool, but they're black. So,
right.
can't really tell.
Never made a floral crown before, guys, so I'm literally just, I mean, I could have it from Pinterest up to see what I'm doing, but where's the fun in that? So I'm just gonna go for it. How hard can it be?
So do you start with, like, the base?
We're gonna make,
Or
no, we're gonna make the base out of these.
out of the branch?
Out of the branches, I think. And then tools you'll need, what are these called?
Cutters?
Cutters, because
Cutters.
it has wire in them, so it's really hard to cut. So these would be better than scissors.
And if you'll notice, some of your pliers have cutters connected to them too. So if you don't have enough money or can't raid your dad's tool kit, which is what I usually do, or the one in my trunk, you know,
or your
then
boyfriend's,
you can find pliers with cutters at the same time, and you can get them cheap at any retail store.
Yes. So
yeah.
I just have different. These are just pliers. I have different ones for shaping if we need to, and then wire. I forgot to get wire there, so I just found some. So that's what I'm using. And then floral tape. We have black floral tape, but there's green too.
Yeah, but if you're making a black crown, you kind of want black floral tape.
Yeah.
The logic goes well together.
I thought so.
Yeah.
You know.
So, now, are we forming the crown?
We're gonna form the crown. I don't know. Do you like measure the head first? Do you have to, I don't know. We'll just do like that.
Well, I would think that you would want to make sure there was something that wrapped all the way around the head.
Well, this is gonna wrap around the head. These are gonna be like the bases, and then we're gonna add to it.
But that's what I'm saying is like, how do you secure it on? Is it a crown or tiara?
Crown.
So how are you going to secure it on the head?
It would just stay on your head. It would sit on your head.
Because they're woven together?
Well, yeah, because we're going to use the flower tape to, piece them together, and then it'll be one
That's
big...
what I was thinking.
It'll be one big, wreath on your head.
Maybe, something like this, where you combine two and have a base, and then you can tape it to it.
Mm.
You know? Because then you'd have a crown.
I guess it wouldn't be as flimsy.
Right. It would be more secure, especially if you're going to be outdoors at a Renaissance festival.
True.
Or doing a shoot at the ocean or something like that.
Well, let me grab
Yeah.
this one, and I think it's this one too.
Oh, by the way, these are just 2 of the sticks from the
Yes.
flowers. We don't know what they are.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. So then you bend them to like the size
There's
you
gonna
want.
be like normal. There's probably gonna be these like really like top like DIY how to tutorials that are just gonna
I'm
like
sure there's
scream
like
at this.
really, yeah. It's okay. We're just 2 geeks having fun.
This is my shenanigans. That's right. I did shenanigans of a redhead, guys, right here. What do we do for fun?
You find a blonde.
That's awesome. Yes, you find a blonde. Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
so
that's cool.
We just need to cut it a little bit shorter so it's not so. I
Well,
think,
or you can like
we can tape it.
we can tape it, but we can also like, because these are nice and they have wires in them, you can kind of bend it around so
Yeah.
that when you tape it, it'll stay a little
Yeah.
bit more
See,
secure.
this is why it's nice because you get those rods. Not all of the flowers have them, but the base they do bend, so you can kind of manipulate it into like a crown or a tiara. But we're not making tiaras; we're making a crown. You know, floral crowns are like the trend right now too.
Yeah.
So if you're wondering what's so random, this isn't so random. I'm trying to be trendy, guys.
With our black bargain basement flowers.
Listen. Listen. I know they're like how these all cute, like so bright and summery. If you're following me on Instagram, you know that little flower crown I put up there. Yeah, wasn't that so cute and pretty? But like, it's so bright.
So we're going a little darker tonight.
I'm not a goth, I promise.
No, but there's times when you need to be dark.
It's just, why would you? I don't know. Black goes with everything. That's my.
That's true.
That's
And it's classic.
So black goes with everything. That's
So,
my story, and I'm sticking to it. Is that part of yours? Or is this one mine?
That's yours.
Okay. I can. The little branches are kind of hard to bend because there's a lot of plastic on there.
Yeah.
But
once you get it bent a little bit, you can just wrap it with the wire.
Yeah.
And then it's good. Okay. Got one side done. Now it won't open when I pull the other side together. Because that's what was happening to me before. I pull the other side and it would just pop open the other one.
right. Okay. How tight do you put crowns on? I don't know.
Not super tight.
Just kind of sits on your head.
But you don't want it to like slip down over your eyes, so. But remember, this is bendy too, so you can bend it out and it'll stay up more, or you can bend it in and it'll go down more.
Okay.
So.
You just make flower crowns 101. Don't watch us.
But you know, if you do want to learn DIY from girls who are just doing it themselves, though, like this is kind of a good way of what not to do.
Ouch.
Like I
It
said,
bit
what
me.
not to do.
Watch
Oh,
it. It
dude.
bit me. I'm bleeding.
Wait, is that how you're supposed to do it? Or is that the sticky side?
No, it all sticks together.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah, that's the tape.
Yeah, I'm smart. No, I just can't be taught. Okay, so it's just like a static cling tape. It's not a sticky tape.
Well, it'll stick together. It melts
sticks
like
to
together.
itself.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. It's what they use. It works. Okay. I don't know the logistics.
We're gonna believe her.
Thanks.
I have faith in Rosie.
Don't. I think the most. Okay, there's my little crown, guys. Boom.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So cute. And now you have a base to build on.
I'm trying to put this on without a mirror, so
Yeah. Okay.
it's kind of hard to see. That's the
That's
best
better.
part is it's
Yeah.
like you can put it on however you want.
Yeah, and it'll be a different crown however you wear it. So
Here we go. Here's our. It's so big. It looks so big. Oh,
I know.
I
right?
like subtle things, guys. Like
But
this is like
you know what?
really big.
It
lot of
actually
flowers for me
is
in my
subtle.
head, and this is trendy. I am trendy
You're
right now.
trending.
Look
Okay.
at this.
So, but you have to show them these.
Oh yeah, I know. Okay, so my leaf boots, real leather. You can get them on eBay for like $25. Bam. And they are not. The back part is not structured, so it actually like moves
Conforms
with
to
your
your foot.
conforms to your foot. Really comfy, really cute. So I'm making a little fairy outfit basically, and I'm trendy with these crowns. We're trendy. Don't you feel?
Yeah.
Do you feel trendy?
I feel trendy.
Look at me.
Like totally trendy. Freeze frame. Freeze frame. Freeze frame. Freeze frame. Okay, you can't see the top of mine. It sticks so far up. That's funny.
It needs to be like.
Oh, it's falling
here's,
off.
Yeah, here.
Okay, here. Yeah, you put it on me.
Let me crown you, Your Highness.
She jams it into my skull.
There, that's how it needs to be. It
Okay,
needs to
okay.
fit like that tightly. See?
Ah, that's cute.
Yeah, there
Yeah.
you go. See, her crown is awesome, guys. I'll take close-up pictures. You can look them up on Instagram. It's been fun. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.